Hey, it's Sam. If you want to learn more about high-ticket affiliate marketing, well, you're in the right place because that's exactly what I'm going to talk about. So stick around. On my channel, I always release videos on digital marketing and passive income strategies, so consider subscribing. Also, if you want, you can click on the link below to get access to my recession-proof business model that will teach you how to build an online business from the ground up. So don't worry if you have zero experience, because you'll get the best training that will make you the top marketer. Great, let's get to the content. So as an affiliate marketer, you probably already have a goal in mind of how much you want to make per month, right? Well, the thing is, if you keep on selling low ticket items, which is under $1,000, then it's probably going to be really hard to reach that goal if it's 10,000 or 5,000, right? Because low ticket items, you really need to sell high volume of that certain item. Let's say you're doing Amazon affiliates. You're going to have to make a lot of sales because the commission rates for physical products is generally under 10%. And in order to reach 5,000 or 10,000, let's use 10,000 as a goal. And in order to sell enough physical products through Amazon Associates, let's say you're selling $100 items and you probably make a maximum of 10% per item, which is what, $10, right? 10% of 100 is 10. How many items do you have to sell in order to reach your goal of 10,000? So you get a commission of $10 per $100 item. That means you gotta sell 1,000 of those items. And do you think you're gonna reach that $10,000 goal at the end of the month because you have to sell 1,000 of those? If you're already further down the road of building your email list and you already have a huge amount of traffic coming through, then chances of getting to that goal is a lot easier. But if you're starting out and you're barely getting any leads and any traffic to your website or wherever, however you're selling, reaching 1,000 sales for a $100 product on Amazon for only 10%, then it's a hard goal to reach, hard goal to accomplish. So this is where you want to know about high ticket products, right? Which is any product that's over $1,000. Anything lower than $1,000 is considered low ticket. So where do you find these high ticket products? Of course, on Amazon. If you want to look for something that's over $1,000, then you could probably sell technology like cameras or furniture or things like that. But still, you're doing all that work for just 10% or lower, even lower. I think they upped it to like 8% nowadays for Amazon. The thing is, the effort and time you're spending on Amazon affiliates itself is not really great, right? Not really efficient. And that's the reason why the top affiliate marketers market high ticket digital products. And a top selling product in the world is knowledge, and in form of digital knowledge, which also means e-learning. People are always going to want to learn, and depending on what they want to learn, there's going to be courses, there's going to be professionals creating these courses that for people to learn about how to become experts in that field, right? If you want to learn how to program, there's going to be boot camps and programming courses for people that want to learn how to code. A lot of people in the world become real estate agents via online courses. And these courses were just made once and mass produced and instantly delivered. There's no fees for manufacturing. There's no fees for storage. There's no fees for really shipping, right? Because everything's on the cloud, everything's digital. So you don't want to play the volume game anymore. Then there's high ticket products for you to market, right? So remember when you're doing Amazon selling $100 products for only 10% and you need to sell 1,000 of those to reach your goal of 10,000 a month. Now let's say your goal is still $10,000 a month for doing affiliate marketing, right? So the minimum for a high ticket is $1,000. The commission rate for digital courses are usually 50%. So let's use 50%. So 50% of 1,000 is 500. So for each sale you make for the course, it's going to be 500 in your pocket in order to reach 10,000. So $10,000 divided by 500 is 20. You just need to make 20 sales to reach your goal of 10,000 a month, as opposed to 1,000 sales for a $100 item on Amazon. So as a beginner, which do you think is more work? Because you need to reach a lot more people in order to sell 1,000, right? As opposed to using the same amount of effort for targeting audiences. It's easier for you to reach $10,000 a month quicker with high ticket versus low ticket and high volume. You should focus all your time and efforts on just doing high ticket. Well, no, because you want to be able to market both. So my strategy of doing affiliate marketing is mainly focusing on the high ticket sales, high ticket marketing, market the courses that actually make you money for less effort, also using the low ticket items as tools to support your main focus, right? Of course, you want everything to be congruent in the same niche. Let's say you're marketing in the weight loss niche. You want to use low ticket items as a tool for the weight loss program that you're marketing. A low ticket item such as ebooks that market superfoods or how to burn calories, things like that. Those are the tools that help fuel your main goal of doing high ticket affiliate marketing. So I hope you found that helpful and useful. And if you enjoyed this session, please leave a comment down below and let me know. And if you want to learn how to build your own affiliate marketing business using these high ticket sales techniques, then make sure you click on the link down below, and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you for joining me in this session. I hope you learned some valuable tips and tricks to begin your affiliate marketing career. If you want to find out more about doing affiliate marketing the right way, consider subscribing to the channel. Like the video if you liked it, and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. For more tips, be sure to subscribe into my email list and get the 8-step affiliate marketing mastery guide for free. And I'll see you on the other side.